Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking me how to create a Clickbank account in countries where Clickbank is not allowed. Now this is how to do it, right? This is how I do it. What you need to do is to find somebody in the country, in one of those countries where Clickbank is allowed, and get them to create this account for you. Now they are creating this account with their details, not your details. They create with their name, their phone number, their address, right, and everything. Now the address has to match the address on their ID card, right? Because some of the things that I teach are from personal experience. I've made mistakes, right? It has backfired. Then I come to reach I come here and I show you, I tell you guys exactly how I did it, the issues that I had, and how I was able to deal with those issues, right? That is why my content is actually different from most other content that you see on the internet. So because Clickbank, when you log in from Nigeria or Bangladesh or one of those countries that are not allowed, right, and you start making money, now they're going to block your account. And when you contact them on abuse@clickbank.com, they're going to ask you to prove that you live in this address by sending a photo ID, right? This could be a driver's license, this could be an international passport, whatever, to show that you actually live in that address that is listed, right? So that is why the person creating the account for you has to have that ID, and the person has to use his own details, because it is his or her own detail that is on that photo ID. So when you log in from here and you get blocked and they ask you for an ID, the person now has to you have to collect the person's ID, a picture of it, and send it to them via email, and they're going to unblock your account. It has happened to me 1,001 times. So what I do right now is to make sure they don't even block my account. What I do is that I tell somebody out there to create the account for me. Now I never log into that account. I will call you and say, log into this account, check this, check that, and send me screenshots, or record your screen, send me a video or something. And this has to be somebody that trusts you and somebody that you trust. That is why trust is actually very important in this business, guys. Right? It is very, 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 very vital that the person trusts you, because they're going to have access to everything and see exactly how much you're making and stuff. Right? So that's how to do it. So get somebody who lives outside this country to create the account for you using their details. Right? Now, if you want to promote a product, tell the person to go to a marketplace, log into the account, go to marketplace, click on the promote code and copy the link and send you the link. Then you start doing your promotion. Because if you log in from here, they're going to nab you, right? And if they nab you and you don't have those details, your account will remain blocked forever, right? Forever, unless they change their policies tomorrow, which is most unlikely, guys. So that's exactly how I do it. But if you live in one of those countries where Clickbank is allowed, like India, UK, US, Australia and stuff, straight up just go to clickbank.com, set up your account, put in your details, and you're good to go, guys. That's exactly how to do it, guys.